Okay guys, well, today is an exciting day for me because I just got my new crate motor in from ATK. It's the HP94 383 stroker with 425 horsepower and 460 pounds of torque or something like that. So just came in, there it is in the crate. So excited, I almost dropped my camera. But yep, there it is, HP94 guys. I can get into all the specs and stuff for you guys, but just go to ATK website, type in HP94 and you'll see it, you know. So, and it's getting ready to go into this baby. And in case you were wondering, this engine runs perfectly fine. Starts right up, no smoking, no ticking, no nothing. But does not have the power that my old engine had, the 400 that I took out of here. So I've been missing that for a while. And I got a nice 75 Firebird sitting at home that has a 6-cylinder in it. So it will get this engine, and the Frog will get the new 383. So fun times ahead. Can't wait. And I'll try to keep you guys posted. See you later. Happy New Year's.